Hello, hello, and welcome. This is the open house presentation for Mrs. Westerbeck's English 12 class. I'm Mrs. Westerbeck. Thank you for coming. I'm going to click share screen, and if we get extraordinarily lucky, it will take me to what I want. And there we have it, the presentation. Awesome. Thank you so much for taking time to listen and watch. I have a couple of classes that I teach. So I've got English 9 in the morning and then English 12, and then I get to come over to the library and be the librarian for periods 3 through 7. I have taught English 12 and loved it for more than 20 years. So when I'm helping students, I'll tell them, oh yeah, we used to do this and we do this, and I've corrected 1,000 essays. It's actually true. My contact information, jwesterbeck@msd.org. Please email if you have any questions. We can also set up a Zoom to chat if you're not totally zoomed out yet. The syllabus is something that is shared with students. We've already seen it and talked about it. You also will have it showing up in an email right before they release all our open house videos. And it's also on Schoology, and students can lead you there. Here are the highlights. Help is available for struggling students. Always, always, always. I will make it work in their schedule. Work can be revised for mastery to get an A grade. If students are super strong in English, I definitely want to encourage them to stretch and grow so that they're even better prepared for their life after high school. I don't want grades to be a big stressor for students, so they can turn in work that is late, they can revise work, they can get help. There's no reason in the world they shouldn't achieve all of these standards as well as have a time that's not hideously stressful. Let me know if you feel like they're a little bit stressed out and that there's something I can do to help that. You can be checking on Parent View to see what assignments are turned in, what the comments are, and then if anything is missing, certainly you can encourage your student to click it open and do what it says. If they say to you, I don't know what to do, be sure to tell them, Miss Westerbeck will help you. Just let her know you need help. If you have any concerns, as I said before, reach out. My goal is to help your students learn and achieve to the highest of their ability, and I know we're getting them ready for life after high school. Let's talk about for a minute, though, before life after high school, Zoom. If we have to switch to it for quarantining or whatever this year is holding in reserve for us, I'll have the links ready in Schoology, and we will flip over if we need to Zoom school without missing a beat and continue on getting them ready for college. If your student is going to be out for quite a while and they would benefit from hearing the class, not just doing the assignments independently that they find on Schoology each day, then they can request that and I will turn it on. I am sure that I will turn it towards the screen, make sure they can hear, and then I will go wandering off and teach and forget to come back and check on them. So I'll have whatever student in the front row is closest to my computer keep an eye to see if your student is doing okay, and if they need to have something answered in the chat, I'll have that student let me know. Schoology, that's where everything lives, and that's where we're going to go. So if I'm super lucky, I can switch us over to Schoology. Let me stop share for a second though and make sure I take you with me. Learned some lessons last year about losing people when we switch. You should be seeing my Schoology screen. Certainly hope that you are. When you land in the Schoology page, yours and the students will look kind of like this. So they'll have tiles for each of the classes. You'll be clicking in if you want to see about English 12 and mine. At the top here is a welcome message with my email. The digital hall pass is there in case your student doesn't like to use their phone with a QR code to check in and out, to kind of like a bathroom pass when they need to leave class. We're using that for contact tracing this year. So here's a digital hall pass in case their Chromebook is open and they just want to click it and use this. What did we do that day is a very helpful page I want you to know about. So I'm going to launch that. You can see what we do each day. Underlined items are assignments that are in Schoology. Blue hot links are Google Forms that are assignments, and you can click into them right from here. When you look at the organizational structure, there's one other thing I want to show you before we jump into curriculum. It's the welcome folder. Bell schedule, map, lunch schedule, syllabus are hiding out in there. And then down here in September is everything that we've been working with so far. And these are the assignments we're working on this week. All of this first part of the year is to get students ready, especially for those who need to be applying to colleges that require essays. We're going to do the essay first quarter, and then some of you will not have need for them. Some of the students won't until January and February, when scholarship applications are usually due, but it will be ready for them. I am also excited to support students who are not choosing the post education that is traditional. If they're doing an apprenticeship or doing something else, I am excited to help them trace down like the best options. And we have time in class for doing that kind of research towards their future goals. So if they're feeling like they're floundering, be sure to check in with them and see, have you sat next to Ms. Westerbeck for a few minutes and kind of see what we can find on the internet to help you out? So let me know if you have concerns too. I know that this is a very stressful time for students and their parents. I am going to be proofreading college essays. If your student is willing to pass it back and forth with me until they are perfect. So you can know that when you're turning it in, it's going to be as great and perfect as we can get it. When you have a student who is struggling with these items, I would be more than happy to help. So let me know if you guys are coming into conflict over applications and the essays, and I'll see if I can help. Thank you so much for coming. I hope you have a splendid evening, and reach out if you need to for anything at all. Thanks for sending me such great students. I really like them already.